Question number 8. It reads, it is a common belief that reading in reasonably bright light is more comfortable than the reading in the dim light. Which of the following is the most appropriate reason for this effect? Option A says contraction of ciliary muscles reduces astigmatism. B says contraction of pupil in bright light reduces spherical aberration. C says in bright light image formation formed on retina has more intensity than the dim light. And D says this is purely psychological effect. Bright light merely stimulate more visual neurons that are normally dormant. So here the point that is more important is this. Let me explain you. This is eye lens. Let's say these are the incident light arrays, and you'll find if this is of multiple color, that's white light, then you'll find there's going to be distributed image formation, and violet color light will be making image over here. Red color light will be making image over at a certain distance. So if there's a retina, then you'll find in retina we want to be having all the images located at the same location, right? So this is called spherical aberration. Now this spherical aberration can be reduced. If it is reduced, that means all the images are forming at the same point. That means it's easier to read, more comfortable, right? So how we can reduce it? So spherical aberration causes the spread of the image on the principal axis if we have considered a point object. And we know for violet color it's going to be 1 upon fv is equal to mu v minus 1 into 2 upon r. I have used directly lens maker's formula, and this eye lens is equiconvex lens. For red color we will have a similar formula, and the only difference is going to be the refractive index for the red color is going to be used. Now if we subtract these two expressions, then you'll find this will be 1 upon fv minus 1 upon fr, and here you are going to get like mu v minus mu r into 2 by r. Now balancing this is going to give us the difference in the focal length, that means this distance. That's called aberration divided by product of the two focal lengths into this. Now for yellow color we can think of this as a single focal length, right? So we can write it as f into f, that is f square. However, this is going to be difference in the focal length, that means this is going to be the amount of aberration that is going to be there, and is equal to this. Now what we can do, we can divide by mu y minus 1 into multiply also as well mu y minus 1. So this becomes the dispersive power which is written by omega. This is focal length of the lens, which is 1 by f. Then you'll find 1f getting cancelled out. Basically we are getting this relation delta f is equal to omega into f. People can remember this as a result as well. So spherical aberration is equal to dispersive power into the focal length of the lens that we are using. Now this dispersive power depends on the mu's values, right? Whereas f also depends on the radius of curvature. And if we put the value of f as well, so it turned out to be this. F value is going to be like mu, it's like mu yellow minus 1 into 2 by r, right? So this says that aberration is going to be proportional to the radius of curvature of the equiconvex lens. Now, what this contraction of pupil does, so if these muscles are contracting it, then you'll find this is going to be flattened eyeball, this eye lens. So the radius of curvature is going to reduce. Since radius of curvature is reducing, then this delta f, this is going to reduce. That means aberration is going to be reduced. That means the image spread is going to be now concentrated at a single point or location. That means on the retina, and you will find easier or comfortable to read it. So we will say the correct answer is B, which says contraction of pupil in bright light. In bright light, you see, like when we see the bright light or bright objects, then our eyes tries to contract. This contraction of pupil takes place, and that increases that pushes is basically that reduces the radius of curvature. So this spherical aberration reduces, which makes it comfortable to read in the brighter light. So B is the correct response. Thank you.